Hello everyone, in this video we are visiting Thailand's famous Koh Phi Phi island. To start from the beginning, we arrive in Phuket from Istanbul with Air Arabia connecting in Sharjah, and then took a ferry from Phuket to the Phi Phi Islands. We were treated to stunning views along the way, and the journey took about 2 hours. Koh Phi Phi actually consists of two islands, Koh Phi Phi Le and Koh Phi Phi Don. One of them is inhabited, the other is under protection, and you can only visit its base by boat tours. When you travel between islands in Southeast Asia, they give you a sticker. I like that they found such a solution to avoid the language barrier, since people come from all over the world. On the first day, we left our stuff and went swimming immediately. And after hiking for about 40-45 minutes, we reached Long Beach, which we wanted. This beach actually offers you a longer and quieter beach compared to other bays in Koh Phi Phi. There is a nice hotel behind it, and you can eat and drink at the restaurant if you prefer. If you don't want to walk, you can reach here by boat. We chose this beach because it offers a stunning ecosystem for snorkeling. Also because Koh Phi Phi is a very popular island, many people from Phuket come here, and it's quite crowded compared to the other islands. But Long Beach isn't as popular as other bays in Ireland. Therefore, you can have a more relaxed day here. One of the reasons we chose Long Beach is that there is a spot here known as Shark Point. If you are lucky or unlucky, you can encounter many sharks here, and the ones we saw were white tip and black tip sharks. Diving in tropical waters is truly something different. It is stunningly beautiful, especially for someone like me who hasn't left the Mediterranean or Asian waters. I have never seen such colorful corals and fish before, and seeing them all together feels like you are in a documentary. We were a little tired as we left our stuff and went snorkeling as soon as we arrived on the island. And also we stayed at Long Beach for a long time. Because it was getting dark, we didn't want to walk back again, so we took the Thailand's famous traditional boats. If you're coming here, it's impossible not to take one of these. My only suggestion is that there are tours from Phuket to Koh Phi Phi that take these boats, but I definitely don't recommend them. We didn't take one from Phuket When I did some research beforehand, it was said that it's very tiring, and if the weather is bad, people get quite scared because it's not so safe when the waves are bigger. It's generally safer to come by fast boat or a large ferry like ours. Although we arrived quickly, it took us 2 hours, so I guess these smaller boats probably take much longer. After this boat trip, we went to a restaurant that serves local cuisine. Unfortunately, I got food poisoning from the shrimp rice I ate. It went down in history as the first day I poisoned in Thailand, because it wasn't the last. We woke up to another sunrise and went up to the Phi Phi Viewpoint. I definitely recommend visiting here, as it has a stunning garden and situated in a prime location overlooking the entire island. We were told it's usually very crowded at sunset, so we came in the morning. So you can hear the bird song in the morning and there is no one around. There is also a small cafe here. You can grab a coffee or something else to drink, and simply admiring the view is a great way to start your day. How inspiring it was to watch the clouds move during the sunrise, to see the colors of the sky change, to see the sea's water level change over time. It's the perfect place for sunrise in Koh Phi Phi. Another day we purchased a 4-hour sunset boat trip lasting approximately 2 to 6 p.m. and again we traveled on traditional Thai boats. These boat tours take you to places you can't reach on foot. There are no motor vehicles on Koh Phi Phi because it's a small island and its settlement is also small. Walking is the only option. There are also bike paths there, but you won't see any cars or motorcycles. The first bay in this tour was a small bay called Monkey Bay, inhabited only by monkeys, and we watched them fight a bit. After Monkey Bay, our next stop is Pile Lagoon, a bay on Koh Phi Phi, known as Pile Bay also. Huge rocks greet you here and the water's color is incredibly beautiful. There are many boats, but there is a limit. 50 boats are allowed at a time. Actually, it's not a very limited number to protect this beautiful area. There were plenty of boats when we arrived. These tours usually provide you with a snorkel, a mask, and you will stay here for about 20-30 minutes. Those who want to swim do so. There are plenty of people wanting to take photos. This is actually how you spend your time here. But it's also wonderful to just look around and do nothing because it's so captivatingly beautiful. Another shark we saw was this baby shark. The place where we dived was really clean, so we could see it very clearly. After 3 days on Koh Phi Phi, an old creature we saw underwater, we were really excited about Thailand at the end. So it's nearly sunset time and our boat takes us offshore of Moya Bay. This way we see the location where the famous movie The Beach was filmed. And this is how our boat tour ends, watching the sunset. Thank you for watching, and if you want to go to Thailand and you are watching this video or dreaming of doing so, I hope this video was helpful to you. See you soon.